Hi everyone.
Hiya.
It's been a long time since we did a little vlog, so we thought we'd give you a bit of an update of things, what's happening and where we've been and that. Last week we went to the Love of Wrestling, that was called.
For the Love of Wrestling.
For the Love of Wrestling, and we had a few photos took with some wrestlers, didn't we?
Yeah.
You might have seen them on our Facebook page or Instagram. But Phil bought some. We're into The Walking Dead, so Phil bought something that he's been wanting for ages, and it arrived today. It's a very big box.
Yeah, so we'll do a little unboxing and
We thought we'd just show
see
you
how good it is.
how
if it's any good.
So I'll pass it to Phil.
I'm excited.
He's been wanting this. We've seen it a few times at Comic Cons, haven't we? And
Yeah,
he gets it.
the store's been there for
Yeah.
ages, but it's like, do you want to get it? No.
But it was a bit cheaper, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So I said, you might as well get it, then you've got it then, you know. So he did. He didn't need much persuasion, did you?
No.
Yeah, so I'll give you a quick update as well. We're going to Orlando in September. We've got days out.
What is it?
Ooh. We've got days out coming up, haven't we?
Yeah. Wait, cook myself.
Yeah, so
The box.
let's just show you this. An umbrella.
The Walking Dead umbrella. No, it isn't. It's even better than an umbrella.
If you can get into it.
Mm.
It's a parasol.
Bear with me.
Talk among yourselves. It's only knots.
3 minutes late.
Yeah, so we bought this, and I don't know if you're into The Walking Dead, but if you haven't seen it,
Tell
go
what
and
it is
watch
yet.
it. Oh. Yay!
There we go. It's Michonne's sword. It's a katana, whatever you want to call it. Oh, that looks mint.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've got a strap. So we're going to hang it on the
How cool
wall
is that?
in our bedroom. So if he starts snoring, his head's coming up.
When we was looking at it at the store, I couldn't get the thing out. Hopefully, no, it's alright.
It's an actual blade and all that.
Look at that baby.
Watch. Don't watch your fingers.
Ooh.
Michelle wears it on her back. She just take walkers out.
There you go. Pretty cool, eh?
Mm. That's great, that.
Wooden hand. So there you go.
Yeah.
Nice, that, isn't it?
Mm. Yeah, so that's what we bought last week. Did you buy anything else? I can't remember.
No, just the photos was
Oh,
like...
yeah, the photos. Yeah.
We had Sting, we got Sting, MJF and
JR.
JR. Jim Ross. I said John Ross and Dollars. John Ross. Jim Ross. Jim Ross, the commentator.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It was at 55 each for a photo.
But it's for two. You get two pictures, don't
Yeah,
you?
yeah. It was good though.
Yeah, it was. I mean, I'm not into wrestling really, and I enjoyed it, didn't I?
Mm.
It
Yeah.
was. It's coming back to Manchester next year, so no doubt we'll be going again. We've got Comic Con coming up, haven't we, in Liverpool? We've got Blackpool, we've got Alton Towers. Yeah, so in September we're going to Florida.
I think it's 145
I think.
days, yeah.
20 week it is.
They've just announced.
Yeah.
That's the scary is back on, isn't it? So
yeah, so we're going to get them. Horror Nights, Howard Scream.
Yeah.
Plus everything else that we do. We really can't wait. We booked it in 2019.
Not doing Discovery Cove, I don't think.
No,
this time.
not this time.
Well, not
Up
yet.
to now,
Up to
we're
now,
not.
yeah.
It's a lot of money. We have to price it up, didn't we? And it's a bit.
Still got to do the Esters, haven't we?
Yeah, got the Esters to do. Hopefully by the time we go, that thing up your nose will stop. What do you call it? Testing. But
Yeah.
don't matter anyway. We always wear masks when we go out anyway, don't we? Not that we go out very often, but well, I do. You don't really, do you?
Well.
But you probably will when we go for a week. I mean, the days before we go. Yeah, so I hope everybody's keeping well and staying safe, and we'll probably do another little vlog. Not so long, not so far, not so long. We'll probably do another little vlog in the next couple of months coming up.
Yeah. Still waiting for we've still got a Disneyland Paris one to do, but just work's been hammered, so
yeah,
it's not had no chance to do it. And try my best, but there's no time.
It will.
Not enough hours in the day.
It will be uploaded.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.